As all of you know, on 6th of Feb at around between 11:30 and 11:45, there was an incident in SMHS hospital, Srinagar, when one Pakistani terrorist, Naveed Jad, along with 6 other detainees from Central Jail Srinagar, were brought to SMHS for medical checkup. And at that point of time, some militants fired on the police party which was escorting this particular terrorist from Pakistan. Due to this firing, we lost 2 of our officials, one head constable by the name of Mushtaq and one constable by the name of Bapur were martyred. And in this process, this Pakistani militant, rather terrorist, managed to escape. So immediately after the incident, because this was a very serious incident and first of its nature in the recent times, so a special investigating team was constituted to investigate all the aspects. I emphasize on the word all the aspects of this escape. The SIT started the work, started the investigations. So, because of some scientific evidence, after ascertaining the vehicles used for this offense, the militants and OGWs involved in this incident, once they were identified, night-long raids were conducted in general area Kakapura, Pulwama. During the raids, we could apprehend 2 militants, Shakil Ahmed Butt and Tika Khan, both residents of Kakapura, Pulwama, and 2 OGWs by the name of Saeed Tajamul and Muhammad Shafiwani, both from Kakapura, Pulwama. After their arrest, we are left with Naveed, who is still at large, and one more militant by the name of Hilal, again a local militant who is also from Pulwama. So presently we are looking for them, and hopefully after smashing their whole network, I am hopeful that in very near future we will be able to lay our hands on them and neutralize them. They had planned initially to get him free, make him escape from Pulwama court, which they could not do. Then they hatched this conspiracy to make his escape good from the Srinagar hospital. For this, these 2 militants, especially Tika Khan and Hilal, used to visit frequently jail on one pretext or the other, and also they were in constant touch with Naveed on mobile phones. On the day of occurrence, these guys whom I have already named came to Srinagar and took their positions outside the hospitals at various points with a motorcycle and a car. Both the car and the motorcycle have been recovered and seized. So when this detenue was brought inside the hospital, this casualty, Hilal and Naveed both fired on the constables, injured them seriously, and ultimately they succumbed to the injuries. And after that, this Naveed and Hilal ran towards the parking vehicle and the motorcycle, but they preferred to ride the motorcycle. Shakil was driving the motorcycle and pillion riders were Hilal and Hilal was at the back seat. They all they were dropped across Abdullah Bridge. From there, they went to a place, I won't name the place, in Srinagar city, because we have to do some investigations around that place. And it was in the evening hours that Tika Khan with the vehicle again comes to that place and picks them up, takes them to their home. A criminal conspiracy was hatched by all of them, in connivance with some other fellows, whom at this stage it is not proper to name, because investigations are still on to see the quantum of their involvement in the commission of this offence. So far we have been able to, I would like to, and I take this opportunity and I would like to compliment the SIT who did their job thorough professionally and in an excellent manner. I would like to compliment them. And you know, it happened on 6th and yesterday we cracked it. फोनों का इस्तेमाल हुआ है, बिल्कुल हुआ है, और इनकी विजिट्स भी एस्टेब्लिश हुई हैं जेल के अंदर. अब उसमें क्यों ये सारा हुआ है, क्यों ये इजाज़त दी गई है, वो आपको पता, एक मिनट, वो आपको पता है. ऑलरेडी जेल डीजी ने भी एक इंक्वायरी ऑर्डर की है, उसमें वो अपनी इंक्वायरी कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हम अपनी इन्वेस्टिगेशन. आपको ये पता है कि लश्कर की लीडरशिप अभी तक पूरी ख़त्म हो गई थी. आफ्टर इस्माइल, आफ्टर दुजाना, कासिम तो खैर पहले गया था, उसके बाद दुजाना फॉलोड बाय इस्माइल. उसके बाद, इफ यू ऑल ऑफ यू रिमेंबर, देयर वाज नो कमांडर designated by Lashkar for Valley. Maybe they wanted to name him, and he has the potential of being a Lashkar commander. So important. Let me complete first. So maybe important person for them, right? तो इसीलिए इतने desperate थे इसको निकालने के लिए. And उसमें हम आपको एक दूसरी चीज़ बताएं, आपने भी नोट की होगी. अभी एक my friend was showing me a photograph, a viral photograph. आपने इसमें देखा कि after escape he has gone to a militant of HM. So I used to tell you, let us not say HM, Lashkar. When it comes to that, they operate together.